into it. Smart roads are equipped with sensors that detect traffic conditions in real time. They monitor vehicle flow, speed, and congestion, and communicate this data to a central system. This system then adjusts traffic signals to optimize flow and reduce congestion. But that's not all. Smart roads also monitor their own health. They are embedded with self-diagnosing technology that can detect wear and tear, cracks, or potholes. When a problem is identified, these roads can even start a self-repair process, making our roads safer and more durable. The benefits of smart roads extend beyond mere convenience. They offer real-time updates on road conditions and traffic, which can drastically improve travel time and fuel efficiency. Moreover, by proactively addressing road damage, they significantly enhance road safety. With smart roads, our commutes could become safer, faster, and more efficient. Indeed, the future of commuting looks bright with the advent of smart roads. So, to summarize, smart roads can revolutionize our daily commuting experience. These innovative pathways are not just about getting us from point A to point B anymore. They offer a new level of interaction, providing real-time traffic data, auto-repairing potholes, and even generating electricity. Now, let's look at the road ahead. The potential for smart roads is vast, but it doesn't come without challenges. The implementation of such technology is expensive and needs considerable infrastructure changes, but as we've seen in other areas of tech, costs tend to decrease over time as technology advances. Moreover, the integration of smart roads with autonomous vehicles presents an exciting prospect, allowing for increased efficiency and safety on our highways. As these technologies evolve, we can expect our roads to become more adaptive, responsive, and ultimately smarter. As we move towards a smarter future, it's clear that our roads are set to become more than just pathways. They are becoming intelligent, interactive platforms that can change the way we travel.